Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a controller to Minecraft Java Edition. By default, Minecraft Java Edition doesn't support controllers, so you'll need to install a controller mod first. For this tutorial, I'll be using the CurseForge app. First, open the CurseForge app and select your Minecraft profile. In the search bar, type Controlify. When you find the mod, click Install. Then choose your Minecraft profile. Since we're installing the mod through CurseForge app, it will automatically download the version that's compatible with your Minecraft version and mod loader. Once the mod is installed, connect your controller to your PC using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Then click play to launch your Minecraft profile. When Minecraft opens, your controller should be detected automatically. If needed, open options to customize your controller settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching.